Welcome back to Catalyst Grid. My name is Kingsley Amafua, lead scheduler with DC Nordics. We have reached the final session of our advanced masterclass series on time impact analysis. Today, we focus on the culmination of our technical work, the professional report. Throughout Series 3, we have validated baselines, built forensic fragnets, and assigned responsibility. But a brilliant analysis is useless if leadership cannot understand it. Today, we bring it all together for the boardroom and beyond. The TIA report is your final deliverable. It is the document that bridges the gap between technical scheduling and project management decision-making. It must be clear, concise, and technically unshakable to succeed in a high-stakes claims environment. In this finale, we move beyond the software and into the boardroom. We explore how to structure reports that get approved and protect your project's financial integrity in a high-stakes, multi-million-pound data center environment. This is where the forensics meet the commerce. Let's dive into the methodology of generating professional time impact analysis reports that can stand up to the highest levels of legal, technical, and commercial scrutiny. Section 1. Structuring a TIA report. A professional forensic report must follow a logical, narrative-driven structure. We start with the executive summary and the project overview to immediately orient the reader. Next, we include the baseline summary and a detailed delay event description. You must tell the human and technical story of the delay before you show the data. Context is the foundation of all professional credibility in forensic planning. We then document the analysis methodology and the fragnet logic. This is your primary technical defense. Any auditor or claims consultant must be able to replicate your steps precisely based on the data in this section. Finally, we present the critical path impact and our forensic conclusions. The report ends with a formal entitlement recommendation based on the project's specific contractual framework, such as NEC4 Option C or similar logic-driven contracts. This structure ensures that you are seen as an expert witness to the project's history, not just a scheduler. It builds profound trust with owners and contractors during the technical and financial claims process. Section 1.5. The executive summary. This is the most read page of your entire report. It must distill weeks of forensic work into 3 or 4 clear, high-level talking points for senior management and project leadership. You must clearly state the cause of delay, the number of days impacted, and the potential financial liability. If leadership has to hunt for these numbers, your report has already failed its primary purpose. Give them the facts first. The summary should also highlight the current forecast completion date and any immediate recovery options. Executives need to know the delta between where the project is and where it needs to be to hit RFS on time. Mastering the executive summary narrative is what separates a senior scheduler from a project controls lead. It is about understanding the commercial and strategic weight of the technical data you manage every day. Section 2. Visualizing delay impacts. In a high-stakes claims meeting, numbers alone are rarely enough to convince an owner or contractor. You must be able to visualize the technical delta between the plan and the delayed reality. Gantt comparisons are the industry standard. We show the baseline bar versus the impacted bar to highlight the exact slippage in the project finish date. It makes the technical impact undeniable to all stakeholders involved. Window snapshots are equally critical. They allow us to isolate the specific period where the delay occurred, providing a before and after view of the schedule integrity and logic. It proves the forensic timeline beyond doubt. Float erosion charts are your secret weapon in TIA. They visually represent the consumption of project buffer, proving that a delay didn't just move a date, it significantly increased the project's overall risk profile and future liability. Section 2.5. Interactive BI dashboards. In modern project controls, we move beyond static PDFs. We use tools like Power BI to create interactive delay dashboards that allow stakeholders to drill down into the data. This level of transparency builds incredible confidence. When leadership can interact with the critical path and see the fragnet impacts in real time, the path to approval for an extension of time becomes much smoother. Mastering the link between Primavera P6 and BI platforms is now a core requirement for elite forensic analysts. It transforms your report from a document into a powerful decision-making platform for the project team. Section 3. Exporting P6 data. To build these reports, you must master the export process within Primavera P6. It starts with your layout configuration and activity organization for high-level forensic reporting. You must apply custom filters and grouping to isolate only the impacted activities and their associated critical path. Remove the schedule noise. Show only what is directly relevant to the delaying event you are investigating. Customize your Gantt bars. Use specific colors, like the amber and rust tones we use in this series, to distinguish between baseline, actual progress, and the fragment impacts. Consistency is a mark of technical and professional integrity. PDF exports must be high resolution and properly scaled. If the project stakeholders cannot easily read the activity descriptions or dates, the entire analysis loses its professional authority. Check your print settings every time. Always provide an XER backup of your impacted schedule. Forensic integrity means being fully transparent. Allowing the other party to verify your logic is the hallmark of an elite project controls professional. No secrets. Section 3.5. Layout best practices. Your P6 layout should be designed specifically for the reader's expertise. Include columns for baseline start, variance, BL1 duration, and total float. These are your proof columns. Ensure your WBS structure is collapsed to the appropriate level for the audience. For executives, level 2 or 3 is usually sufficient. For a technical audit, you must provide full granularity at the individual activity level. Always show the relationships on your Gantt chart when reporting impacts. A TIA without visible logic links is just a set of bars. Showing the links proves the impact is a result of logic, not just manual overrides. Transparency is key. Mastering your P6 layouts is about mastering professional communication. When your data is presented with technical precision and visual clarity, your analysis becomes much harder to challenge in a claims meeting or arbitration. Section 4. Presenting to executives. Senior leadership does not want to see thousands of schedule activities. They want the so what. They want the direct impact on the project's bottom line and future forecast. Focus on the forecast completion date and the quantifiable project risk. Use your TIA results to show not just what happened, but what will happen if recovery options are not implemented immediately. Be a proactive advisor. Clearly define the liability. Executives need to know who is responsible for the prolongation costs so they can make informed financial provisions and risk assessments for the project's future success. No ambiguity. Always present recovery options alongside the delay analysis. Forensic planning isn't just about documenting the past. It is about pathing a way forward to protect the project's ready-for-service date at all costs. Be the solution. Your goal is to become a trusted commercial and technical advisor. When you present technical data this clearly, you move from being a scheduler to becoming a critical part of the project's overall commercial success. Section 5. Claims defensibility. A defensible time impact analysis is built on a foundation of evidence. Accurate, contemporaneous site records are your primary weapon in any project dispute. Technical data is your armor. Your logic must be credible, causal, and unshakable. If you have used artificial constraints or broken logic, your entire report will be dismissed under cross-examination. Maintain technical integrity at all times, no matter the pressure. Use a transparent and repeatable methodology. Any expert analyst should be able to arrive at the same result using your raw project data and logic. Consistency is the hallmark of forensic scheduling excellence. Ground your fragment durations in site reality. Use progress photos, daily logs, and technical correspondence to prove that your modeling reflects the actual project history and field conditions with absolute accuracy, no guesses. When your technical analysis is backed by unshakable field records, your position in a claims meeting becomes dominant. You are no longer arguing, you are stating forensic and mathematical facts. This is forensic mastery. Section 6. Real-world career value. Mastering time impact analysis is one of the most valuable and sought-after skills in project controls today. It sets you apart from the average planner or scheduler and opens elite doors. Professionals who understand delay analysis are in extremely high demand for mega projects, arbitration support, and claims consulting. It is a high-level career path with significant professional and financial rewards. In the world of high-stakes data center construction, the ability to defend time is the ability to protect the project's most valuable asset. That makes you indispensable to the project leadership, the owner, and the client. It's about more than just software proficiency. It is about a professional mindset, a forensic, investigative approach to project management that ensures success even in the face of major disruptions and delays. By completing this masterclass series, you have taken the first step toward that elite level of project controls. Take these principles and apply them to your projects with integrity, precision, and forensic depth. You are now ready. Let's recap our journey through Series 3. We began with the foundations of forensic scheduling, moved through schedule validation, built detailed fragments, and analyzed the battle for responsibility. We have explored the technical and legal nuances of concurrency and pacing, and today we established the elite standard for reporting and executive communication in project controls. You have the full toolkit. This series was designed to transform your approach to delay analysis. By applying these forensic principles, you are now equipped to lead technical claims and protect the integrity of any major construction project. Time impact analysis is not just about proving delays, it is about understanding project reality. Because on major construction projects, time is money. There is no escaping that forensic fact of project life. Protect it. The ability to defend time is the ability to change careers and protect the commercial bottom line of every project you touch. Thank you for joining me for this series on forensic delay analysis. It has been a pleasure. It has been a privilege to share these technical forensic principles with you. I hope you take them forward and master your schedules and your projects. My name is Kingsley Imufua, and I wish you every success in your career. Kingsley Imufua, your host, signing off. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Your engagement supports the Project Controls community and helps us keep this series going for everyone globally. Thank you for watching this advanced masterclass finale. Remember, your time is your legacy. Protect it with technical and forensic integrity. I look forward to seeing your success in the field and on your projects. Master your schedule, master your project. Kingsley Imufua, signing off. Thank you for